On the main screen, choose between auctioneer login or bidder login. Always the game has to be started from the auctioneer side. The one who's auctioneer has to create a game and a room ID that will be randomly generated uniquely for that particular game. He has to give in a password as well as a budget. The budget is always to be entered using digits like in 70 or 80 or 90 crores as you want. In my case, I already have a room. So once you are logged in as an auctioneer, you will be seeing this interface. You can use the select player button to select from a categorized list of various players based on their skill set. As you choose a player, he'll be appeared on the current player card. The current player card will consist of the player's name, his profile, his current bidding amount, and who he is being bidded by, as well as the status of bidding. So once different participants start bidding on that particular player, you will see that the card is being updated with the current status of the player's bid. If the bidding stops for a while and there are no more players who is willing to bid on this particular player, then you can start calling for the player. If any player suddenly bids at the last point of time, you have to always start from call 1. If no player is currently bidding on this particular player, you can again start from call 1. And when the status reaches 1, you can add him to the unsold list. This will be the unsold list. If any of the team wants to bid on this player again, you can just remove him from the unsold list by swiping this player's card and then again introducing him to the fray. Players who want to participate as bidders can use the bidder login. He can create a new team by providing the room ID which was given to him by the auctioneer who started the game, and should also enter a unique team name and a password to create a team. In my case, I already have a team. So this will be the interface for all the bidders who are participating in this particular room. The player card will have all the details of the current player who is being bidded on. On raising the bid, if it is in crores, it increments the players by 20 lakhs for every bid. If it is in lakhs, it increments the player's price by 5 lakhs for every bid. When the bid amount crosses 10 crores, it increments the amount by 50 lakhs. Each bidder will have this set of options where he can check out his squad, the list of players he has already brought, his purse value, that is his remaining purse and the maximum purse for this particular room, the unsold list of players in this particular room, as well as the total list of players who are being auctioned by the auctioneer.